folks. I'm Steph Suko, one of the facilitators for this book study. In this book study, we are going to look at the book Recipes for Resilience by Robert Martinez and explore additional supplemental resources to help us to understand what resilience is and how we can build that resilience not only in our students, but also in ourselves, our colleagues, and our greater D155 community. I wanted to take you on a little tour of this course and give you an introduction to where we'll be headed for the next 8 weeks. So here you can see we've got our weekly modules organized by date. Modules will start on Monday and end at Sunday at 6 p.m. If we look over here at the syllabus, you'll see that each week we're going to have a discussion post, except for week 4. Week 4 is going to be more reflective and personal in nature. And then we've got a final reflection as well as a flip video. We are going to incorporate just a little bit of video so that we can get to know each other across our buildings and, see each other face to face. Remember, this is an asynchronous course though, so we won't have any live meetings together. Each week, these modules will unlock, and as you'll see, you'll get a weekly overview. You'll have some additional resources to explore in addition to reading a few short chapters within the text. And then you'll have your to-do list. Most weeks, you will just have an initial discussion post as well as 2 follow-up posts. We ask that your initial discussion post is posted by Wednesday so that we all have time to look at your great ideas, make connections, and reply by Sunday at 6 p.m. Moving forward, you'll note that there is on our last week, you're going to do, instead of a traditional discussion board, you'll have a Padlet. So you'll be able to use some different educational technology tools and resources as we explore this course together. On behalf of Amy and myself, we are so excited to work with you and to dialogue with you about our own experiences of resilience in the classroom, some of the challenges that we faced or that our students have faced, and how we grow stronger and move forward together.